Today is the first day of spring, and it's the perfect time to give your home a refresh.
So installing panels and beams is a great way to add a lot of character, but it can also be a lot of work.
It can. My wife wants me to put a beam in or make it look like it, and I'm balking at it because it feels like a lot of work. Luckily, there's an easier way, and here to show us how, home contractor Skip Bedell. Skip, help us out.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, so yesterday I showed you how to update any room with paint. Today I'm going to show you how you can update any room with faux panels and beams. So these are great products. They're made out of high-density polyurethane from Barron Designs. Very easy to install. Let me show you what this room looked like before we got started. I think you have a before picture there. You can see it was very plain, very ordinary. We wanted to add some character on the wall and on the ceiling. So we went with this Barron Design faux product. They come in stone and faux wood products, hand painted. Oh, wow. They look and feel like the real thing. It's amazing, but very lightweight. If we go to the video, I can show you how easy it is to install. So you can cut this with any type of saw. You simply glue it and screw it to the wall and also to the ceiling with the beams, and you can get a beautiful architectural feature wall and a ceiling beams in just one day. We transformed this whole interior of this house in just a day, and it's really an amazing product because it's so lightweight, it's so easy to use. And of course, you can cut it easily with any hand saw, any type of saw at all. In fact, if you look up and you see these beams, again, we did this all in one day. We screwed them up onto the ceiling with some mounting blocks, and we also wrapped the posts underneath the legs of this island with the same beam product. It's so versatile and easy to use. So guys, if you take a look at the outside of the house right now, so this is a great time to do some transformation with curb appeal. It's spring. So of course we use this product on the outside of the house as well. We made a complete transformation, not only with the barn wood panels that we used inside up on the front of the house, but we also used stone panels down on the bottom. So very, very easy to use, very easy to install. We did the whole transformation in just a weekend with Barron Designs. So also, watch this. This is amazing. Transform any regular porch post. We wrapped it, and we gave it a full architectural feature in just a day. So it's that easy to make changes to your house with the foam products. If you go to their website at barrondesigns.com, you'll find tons of colors and styles. And again, it's something that you could DIY do in a day. And if you go there now, there's also promo codes. They have great deals going on with their product. Use promo code SKIP. You get 15% off through the end of March. And this is something you could do, guys, in a weekend. 2 days, we transformed the whole house.
Skip, you're blowing my mind. Yeah.
Can you do that?
Isn't it amazing?
No, Skip can do it in a day or a weekend. We can do it in 3 days or a week. But that's still great.
At least 3 days.
Skip, that's helpful to know that it's possible. It looks great, too, by the way. You're going to flip that and make a fortune, and you should.
Yeah, you can make a total transformation, guys.
Skip Bedell, skipbedell.com. Appreciate it.